What's up, guys? Tesla School back here. Video you're about to see is sort of an update of the Fa50 build. Me and Dad went to the salvage yard, aka the dungeon. If you don't know what that is, refer back to my older video, Motorcycle Dungeon, back on the channel. I've been wanting to do this a long time, since my front wheel forks were kind of messed up on the Fa. I've been wanting to put different forks on it, just didn't know what. So we went and I got two different frames with forks on it, which you'll see here in a minute. Dad suggested we get just OEM forks. I was planning on getting different ones from a donor bike from something else, full actual shocks, front forks. He suggested we try out a different set of OEM forks, and if that didn't work, then we could do the whole thing. So that's what we did. I didn't really feel it. I just felt it would be a lot quicker if I didn't film that. So I didn't. But anyways, we're gonna skip to back at home and getting that right down to work. And go. Okay, guys, I'm back. Got parts we needed. Thing is, on the Fa, the way the front wheel sat, it was kind of tilted to one side. So what we did was we went to the salvage place. I got a whole nother frame, another set of forks. I'm gonna try those set of forks, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna take the extra frame I got, which is black, and I got another frame off of a PW50. I'm gonna take that whole front end off and weld it to that black frame, and then take everything off my yellow frame and put it on the black frame. If those forks don't work, probably gonna do that anyways, but everything switched out. Kind of lost it. Well, I didn't lose it. I just set it off, forgot to re-record. Anyways, I got everything back together with the new set of forks, which are straight now. Fender's not straight. But I'm still going to do, it still needs beefier suspension, so I'm still going to hack that frame up and that frame up to put those forks on that black frame. Okay, now that I've got it mostly cleaned, I'm going to start cutting the headstock off of the old beat up frame. Grinding wheels. Back at it. Sliding down. Forks off. Now I can put the grinding wheel back on. Oh, I really need a workbench. halfway done. I'm done cutting the new headstock off. It's really tiring. I went through another grinding wheel, cut-off wheel. Oh, you can see it there. Hi guys, I'm back. I got the headstock cut off for the donor bike. There it is. All cut off. I just gotta grind all this smooth, and it'll fit right up to here, just like that. And I still need to get a few parts for it. I need the top handlebar clamps. I need to get new bearings, new throttle cable, or a brake cable. What else do I need? That's pretty much it for that one. Then I can start swapping parts over. I did get sidetracked a little bit and put a new air filter in the 250. I took the air box out. That was a pain in the butt to get there, but it sounds better. Now, I did have a noise in there earlier, but it just ended up being the rear shoe spring for the rear brakes snapped. So I took that off, replaced it, and I changed the reeds out to more stock-like aftermarket ones, which are still Boysons, but I did that, and it seems to be running a little better. So there's that. Yeah, I'm at a good stopping point for the day. It's kind of getting dark. I don't know. You can see that nice sunset, nice glare. But yeah, that's it for today's build. It's kind of short, just little updates here and there, little grinding work. We did, however, pick up a new welder from lovely Harbor Freight. Anyways, if you like today's video, I know it's not out and about and a whole lot of crazy stuff, but press that like button if you liked it. Hope to do some more scooter series. I'll keep updating as I go along. Throw a few build clips here and there. Comment if you like what I'm doing, or don't, leave a comment. And lastly, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time.